Hello everybody and welcome back to Blasphemous. Last time we talked to the other pen the what's it again? I forgot the name of the person who has the scroll something. It's about the scroll. That yeah. And by the way, thank you everyone so much for the views of the first episode. 24 views. Too big for me. Even though I'm still amateur and the channel still low, I think. I small, still small channel, few viewers like that. No joke, my viewers drop in 199 every day, every month, I think. But I just said to myself, like, oh no, stupid me. I don't care about it because hey, it's not important. But for now, I hope I have a job that I'm going to apply. That's the one I'm praying for because I want to help. I need that. I need to help something and pay for my daily expenses, something like that. Need those. Plus, I know that I have Patreon, but it's still a small thing. Plus, I'm burned out on writing right now because too much idea in my head. Ow, wow, wow. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. That's why I just stop a little bit. But I have in the works the Gaia story chapter 2. I'm writing it, but for sure I will need help on proofreading it because right now yun. Wow. Okay. Oh, stupid me. Exemplaris excommunicato what? Exemplaris excommunicationis pa. I know this is my last checkpoint, but wait, did I got the relic here? Yeah. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Me. I don't know where to go. Thank you for that. You have acquired sword hearts. Equip the sword heart in Mea Culpa to alter its properties. They grant powerful upgrades, but this comes at a price. Rest at a preview to access sword's core and insert a different heart. Alright. Okay. Alright then. Let's go to the preview. Let's go here. Inventory. Okay. What? Heart of the Virtuous Pain. Sword Core. Okay. Lore. Heart of the Virtuous Pain. The works and graces of the sorrowful miracle, second verse. Alright then. The wind blew strongly through the fractures of the cathedral that the great tree had originated, lifting the ash, creating dense gray clouds, hiding the whole mother church, and drowning her in a deep darkness of lead. The ground began to tremble, then a terrible cry was heard from the depths of the mountain of ash, and that cry was joined by more and more guttural screams, guttural screams, animal roars, monster, and one which heard above all, the scream of an old man which resounded gravely as out of the throat of a giant. Wow, good lore right there. Okay.
Corazón contrito y humillado ser, penitente en el silencio. Estáis ante lo que queda de Gémino.
Okay.
No os preocupéis por mí. El frío es misericordioso, pues nos alivia el dolor y nos adormece para llevarnos hacia la muerte.
I really love this game. The Spanish.
Puede que el milagro del que hablaban los demás haya llegado a mí, aquí, en este férreo sepulcro, haciendo que el desamparo dure más y más. Ha comprometido el lugar de Orgis vuestra marcha, donde lo helada se abraza con lo ardiente en comunión. Dejadme pediros el favor de traerme unas gotas de los óleos que una vez salieron de estos olivos helados y acabaron abrasando los rostros de todo piadosos que llegaban a la cima.
I will try when I have the map.
Dejadme sentir ese dolor como mi última voluntad, antes de que sea demasiado tarde para mí.
Okay.
Tomad estas.
Alright.
Ahora dejad que mi brazo entumecido se convierta en una rama más de este olivo marchito.
Okay.
Daos prisas. Todavía siento la llamada.
Right. Wait, what? Quest items. Empty golden thimble. Thimble adorned with gold carrying an inscription that reads, only cold coin can carry the redeeming oil. Oh. Empty. Number 1, a young villager named Aurea had such a beautiful and pious face that even as a child, statue sculptors took her as a model. For their creations, her face became so recognizable that little by little, people took her as the living, breathing image of divinity, until it reached a point where they ended up taking her out on procession and even replacing their own images. Such was the fervor around her that she could not bear to be mistaken with the divinity and burn her face with boiling oil to give her pious beauty to God, and took up the habits of a convento. Convento. Oh dear. I always hear those things every day. I always hear that back in the day. Based on a friend. Oh, okay. Nope. Stupid me. Exemplares excommunicationis. Oh man. Okay.
Dejadme pediros el favor de traerme unas gotas de los óleos. Dejadme.
Okay. Okay. At least it's saved automatically. Wow, I suck at this kind of games though. Just a spoiler. Plus, I don't know. Oh, wait. For now, we will not go here. Or we will go here. We will go here when we have, I think. Yeah, if this is the early dungeon, early boss or something. I don't know yet. There you go. Okay, here. Let's go here. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, nope. Okay, nice. There you go. Nice. Okay. Oh.
Hermana mía, como conciencia, alguien se dirige a la puerta prohibida. Alguien que busca la purga y la excomunión de todo lo sagrado que allí descansa. No, no. No uséis vuestras dudas sobre mí. Estoy preparado.
Alright. You do you, mate. No one's judging you. Mercy Dreams. I think we were going here. I think so. Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh. Later we will go here again. Yeah, we will go here because there's something we need to get. What is this thing though? Why? Cleanse your guilt in exchange for 100? Of course. Guilt has been expiated. Oh. Alright. I think a donation or something. Need to go. Ow. Okay. Later we will play, I think, Metroidvania, Castlevania Symphony of the Night. Of course I will use the Japanese version because it speaks Japanese. The English patch. Oh, the English patch. The fans patch it for our needs. Oh, okay. Maxilla of what? Maxilla of Taradax, the cleric. With his broad smile and good manners, Nicodemus Taradax never denied anyone refuge in his church. The discovery of a pile of bones in the sacristy revealed his true intentions. Ooh! I think there's something. Ow! Ah, wow. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Ah, man. Finally, I can get back to streaming again. Maybe I will stream Minecraft. I need to learn some of those things. I know the mods, the RuneScape. Oh, okay. Oh, nope. Okay. Nope, I cannot damage that. Oh! Ow. 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 Oh, nice. What is this? Oh. Yo. What? Oh, no. You machinations of devil. Oh, oh no. Oh. Oh, shit. This is a Metroid Souls. Metroidvania Souls. Oh dear. Okay. Seguiria to your eyes like stars. There is a small girl with two star-like eyes who, when she looks at me, makes me stay by her side. They say she's a saint, came down from the sky. Do not cry, my child, or I'll get lost on the way. What is it that tolls? The bells in the distance. What is it that cries? On her face, starlight. On her face, eyes starlight. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Uy. Oh, yeah. Nope. Mamma mia. Oh. Oh, Santa Maria. Boom. Oh no. That was a wrong fall. Oh. Hello there. Ow, 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 ow. Dead again. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh man. Let's go down for now. Oh man, I like the open-ended exploration, but the difficulty, ooh, it breaks my heart. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Okay. Uy, ay, ay. I think we need to rescue all of it. Okay, nice. This is cervical vertebra of cervical vertebra of Zika the Brewmaster. Zika the Brewmaster gave ignoble fame to his monastery by brewing the most famous beer in the kingdom. One night, the flames of a fire raised his legend to the heavens. Okay. Okay. Nice. There you go. Okay, let's go to the left side first. Then guilt dissipated, I think. We need that. Okay. Oh. I think this is the merchant's place, I think. I knew it.
Mirad lo que os enseño. Aunque es una pequeña pieza, no hay que menospreciar su gran poderío. Fiaros de mí, que tengo sangre de reyes en la palma de la mano.
Okay. No, not yet. For now.
Os ofrezco aquí otra cosa tan brillante como la primera estrella de la noche.
Brillante. Alright. Gem.
Y que mi Hakai, si digo mentira, se quede sin luz.
Hollow, you know it. Hollow pearl. Empty tarnished sphere. There is no trace of nacre left, but it retains just a hint of bluish sheen. It creates fervor when destroying surrounding objects. Not yet, I think.
Os ofrezco aquí otra cosa tan brillante como la primera estrella de la noche.
Another gem.
Y que mi Hakai, si
pearl.
digo mentira, se quede sin luz.
Most preserved in glass. Most preserved in glass. Alright. I will buy those later on. But we need to move forward. Maybe I think we will go there. Okay. Oh, stupid. Oh. Oh, no. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, excuse me. If I'm correct, forgot it in Philippines. There's like that in the Philippines where in the Philippines where I live, where every Catholic time, like the Holy Week we call, or Semana Santa we call it, there's people like self-harm. They're doing something really like that, but oh, okay, nope. Oh, again. Ay. Oh man, always. Oh man. Okay, thank you, kids. Man, I'm so mad. Okay, I explored a little bit now, and then this is open. Nice. By the way, yeah, the one I'm telling her, oh no. Yeah, we call it penitencia in the Philippines. See, similarities to speaking Spanish. Then we have what was it? Where chicken fights in arena like that. We inherit it from the Spanish. Then the biggest religion in the country was Roman Catholics. That's the only brief history of my country. Ow. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Oh! Di unlock a new spot, okay. Oh dear. Another enemy. Yeah, not for now. We will go this way, I think. Okay. I need some saves, so I need those. I know I'm desperate, but
De un lugar de bendiciones se me encomienda velar por vos, penitente. Así pues sea dispuesto. Mi nombre es Viridiana. Se me ha concedido un don con el que puedo asistiros con vuestra carga, si os es menester, pero solo vos debéis decidirlo.
okay, alright.
Penitente en el silencio. ¿Necesitaréis mi favor en vuestro siguiente cometido?
Okay.
Que así sea.
Oh my god, nice, thank you. Oh man, the one I want the most. Oh man, first boss, I think. I am thinking this is a first boss. Oh, knew it. My gut telling me. Oh man, what an abomination. I beyond words. Ow. Exemplares excomunicado excomunicancio tionis. Wow, that's Latin. Very hard to pronounce for me for now, but hey, I'm learning. Ah man, penitente. Oh man, I hate this boss. Okay. The question is, what is the... Yeah. Oh, there you go. Ow, ow, ow. I know. Ah. Thank you. Ow. Ah. Ay, penitente. Uy. This is the first boss, huh? Excuse me. Okay, I know the timing now. When he's going to stomp. Okay, but when he's going to... Oh! Ow! Thank you. Okay, nope. Uy. Uy. No. Ow. Hit me, hit me. Thank you. Penitente. Oh, nope. Ow. Oh, no, 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 no. Ow. Ah, okay. Oh, no. I knew it. It will become harder. Ay. Half health, alright? Half health. But I need to expand my bios, I think. And my flasks. Ow. Ow. Oh, run. Oh, wee. Oh, man, you mad? Oh, no, almost. Oh dear. Ow. Oh, nope, not gonna happen. Oh, ow. Woo! Almost. Penitente, we need that. Give me help. Oh. Ow. Oh. Yes! I killed it! Requiem Aeternam. Nice. Boss 1 complete. Guild has been expiated. Oh. I think we are stupid. I am stupid. Later. We need to save first before we go there. I know there is autosave, but let's not be stupid enough. Oh, so oh my god, we need to move forward because of that. Oh. Yeah. So this thing. Oh, who is that? Who is that? Wait. What? Where am I? Oh man, I love the pixel art, the art direction. Mine. is show gold.
En nombre del suplicio mayor y de los hijos del milagro,
Okay.
al humillaros ante mi santo cuerpo, se os ha concedido la presencia de mi rostro dorada, custodio de uno de los 3 dolores del alma en penitencia.
Alright.
Nuestro milagro me ha elegido de entre todos los piadosos, así como a vos para caminar sobre este sagrado mar.
Okay.
Que el oro de mi rostro derrita y borre la atrición de vuestra alma.
Okay.
Corazón de la culpa, regresad ahora del sueño.
Thank you for your advice, Holy Wound of Attrition. Uy, excuse me. Mercy Dream Son. No. I think we need to go there first. Let's go back for now. We will go there later for if there's a way or an item for me. I hope there's no invisible wall again. The one I hate. Let's just choose what we need to do. I know it is a cutscene, but bruh, I need some health. Oh man. So that's a dead priest or something, or bishop. Desecrated cistern. Alright.
Habéis realizado la primera humillación de penitencia.
De penitencia.
Habéis conocido la faz de la atrición.
Pat de atrición. Woo,
Os quedan
Spanish.
2 santos rostros a los que postraros.
Oh man, I can understand. Oh man, I can understand all of this. Woo. Thank you for the tip, but we need to go backtrack for now. So I know what I am going to do next, but we need some new paths to unlock here. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Ow. Ow. Ouch, man. There you. There you go. Thank you for that. And then what is this? Empty bile vessel. Nice. Thank you very much for that. I really need that thing. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Empty bile vessel made of crystal and gold, capable of holding the hallowed bile and that emanates from the morning fountains. Okay. Get up and tell us what you witnessed, said the scribe without averting his gaze from the paper. I received an order for the exhumation of a penitent who had been buried about a year ago, answered the gravedigger. He was well loved in Albero, and many parishioners approached his grave, but when I dug him up, we saw blood coming from a crack in his sarcophagus, blood red as wine. Those who were there rushed to open the lid of the coffin and carried him on their shoulders, watching as blood gushed out from each side. Others ran to their houses and searching for buckets and bottles to keep all that blood that we wouldn't stop. Oh, okay. Okay, this is another one. Desecrated cistern, Mercy of Dreams. Okay, wasteland. I think, yeah. I think we need to go over there. But first, we need something here. There are many backtracking. Okay, we will end this episode here. We've defeated the boss, and then saved. Thank you for watching. Before we end, do the usual YouTube's stuff, like, comment, follow for more. Everybody, thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But